Hey, so I figured with all this extra free time, I'm gonna finally wrap this wing, or spoiler, whatever you want to call it, to match the rest of the car. So this is like a wrap by Hexis. It's like a black metallic with a lot of flake. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but the whole car is black, or that dark silver. Besides the wings, so I'm gonna do a little time lapse of me cleaning it, and then I'm gonna start wrapping it. The car will finally be all one color. So I'm excited. Let's do it. All right, so now I just got done washing it down with soap and water, and I use the clay bar to get a lot of the imperfections off the top of the paint, so the wrap has a better surface to stick to. So the top deck of the spoiler done for the most part. I just got from the back edge of it, but I got that lip on the front side of it where it meets the hatch is like freaking mint, man. I'm excited. Looks good so far for someone that has like no experience wrapping besides like the side skirts, and I did the rear bumper, but so upper part of it is done. It's gotta go over the edges, especially on the corner right here. For the most part, it's not too bad. These were the most challenging sections. The very corners of them by the taillights. Just like the wrap was just all fingering up. And like, yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I'm gonna show you the imperfections because, like, I'm not a professional dude. So it's whatever. And like I said before, it's a drift car, so I'm not really too worried about how it looks, especially like in this area, because you're not really gonna see it unless you're like really looking for it. But for the most part, dude, like, whoo, that's gonna look good. So I got to do the back piece with one go, so that's pretty dope. I was surprised that like it didn't bunch up right here when I was heating it and pulling it back, but luckily it'll turn out pretty good, hopefully. But yeah, I just gotta trim the excess off and tuck the bottom part where the spoiler ends and it meets the hatch. But other than here's the finished product. Only took a couple hours, I believe. But she looked good, dog. And the best part is, it was free. All I had to do was pay for the wrap. Wait, let me bring it out in the sun real quick so you get a better look at it. Hell yeah. So yeah, I will go over the imperfections in it. This right here, honestly, on both sides was the hardest part, because that top section I laid down, it just like doing this corner just wanted to like bind up and finger up and stuff, wherever you call it. But that's like the only unsatisfying part of it for the most part. Everything else went laid down pretty good. Like I said, you can't tell anyway. Like, it's a drift car, it's gonna get beat up. At least it's not white anymore. It's all one color, so it looks better. But yeah, dude, I'm psyched. Check out this bash bar I got recently off a car actually that got like lost control, and like I guess he hit a tree right here. But the bash bar is pretty straight still. Just scratched the paint up a little bit, no biggie. I had to custom make this mount for the intercooler because my intercooler used to mount where the crash bar mounted, but these at this point right here, so I had to push it back, make this mount where the hood latch is, and then yeah, just welded up something, melded up a bracket up to it to brace it up a little bit so it's not super loose. But yeah, I'm happy. I haven't tested the bumper yet to see if it fits over, but it should.